This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, I'm so sorry. I think your voice is not that audible. Can you please speak?
Yes, is that clear now?
Yes, it is. On the first slide, I could not hear you anything.
Yeah, let me explain from beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so maybe few people already got this session, so maybe they may skip today, but we can start practical sessions also. Just hope you can start your preparation from today itself. So guys, we have a SQL where we can call it as a SQL language, structured query language. It's not a database, it is a language to communicate the database. So entire in the ecosystem, we have multiple databases like MySQL, SQL Server, okay, Oracle, Teradata, Snowflakes, it's a cloud, and big data. There is Hive. Okay, there are so many databases will be there, and only one common language to communicate with every database is SQL. So your subject, your skills depends on how much confident in SQL. So many people will learn basics and they said that I am perfect in SQL. No, even me also am not perfect in SQL. There are some certain concepts that we use in the projects. It's like ocean actually. So advanced SQL is very, very important. So focus on advanced SQL. The first 7 days I am going to give you only basics. After that we can start with the advanced SQL concepts. So if you focus on this, like you will be able to understand entire ecosystem. So it is eligible to approximately 6 to 8 years of experienced people. If you give experience also, you can able to tackling this concept. So it's not like fresher level mindset and fresher level concepts. Okay. So we have different types of commands in the first. So we have DDL commands, DML commands, DRL, TCL, and DC. So let's directly enter with the DDL commands. Okay. So DDL commands are data definition language. DDL commands are data definition language. So let's see. One second. So I'll give you, but syntax also I will give you, but don't by heart the syntaxes. Syntaxes are not useful. Okay. Whenever you are not able to write properly, then you can go and just check it. Okay. But don't by heart the syntaxes. Okay. So now we have create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. Create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. These are the DDL commands. So let's go ahead here as a create command. So what we will do here. So last class I have explained DDL commands is going to deal with the structure, not with the data. So we are going to create structure. Simple. If you think like a normal example, when you are constructing the home, you are going to construct the design first, then you can go for interior decoration. Same like this. First you can build the structure, then load the data. You cannot do the interior decoration, right, without completing the house structure. Similar to this. Without creating the structures, you cannot able to perform any operations with data. Okay. So now create, see, I'm giving you syntaxes, but you by heart it, but you cannot by heart a number of syntaxes. So your hands, when you are practicing, your hands need to type. Okay, how many times you can practice in front of the system, that much confident you will get it. It's up to you. So create table name, column 1, data type, size, column 2, data type, size, column 3, and so on. Even developers also need to create tables like this. Okay, this is the standard structure. So I'll give you briefly now. When you are going to store numbers like phone number, PAN card number, or um, you can say PIN code, okay, mobile number, these number, Aadhaar number, these you can store using the data type name as number. It will take 1 to 38 characters, means the long digit number it will accept. Now, if you want to store like alphanumeric means number plus character. Also, strings also, address, mail ID. These all things we can store with the varchar2 data type. Varchar2 where it will store like 1 to 4,000 characters. It's a big address. You can store 4,000 characters in this. It's a big address. Okay, pin code, whatever. Simply let me create table first. Okay, before going to do this, so to number or integer data, you are going to store number data. To store text and description of information, that we can store with varchar2, but we cannot store with numeric plus characters combinedly in number data type we cannot use. Only in varchar2. Only number means number itself. Varchar means it will take numbers also. To store date information, date format, but this is DDMONYY format. Okay, so this is where you can say SQL, where you are connecting with the database. Okay, so once now you can, after discussing with HR, she will be installing, okay, by taking control through online itself. After that, she will explain how to open and all. Simple. Now this is the where you can work on it. So select star from employee table. So already employee table is there. By default it will come. Now here you understand. Now these are, we can call it as a columns. E-name, employee number, e-name, job, NGR, hire date, salary, commission, department. These are columns. And these are rows actually. Rows means entire one record. Okay, these are, we can call it as one row. And this is called one column. So one row, one column. See, number of combination of columns and rows we can call it as a table. It's a table format. Okay, table contains columns and rows. Now if you want employee details of Smith, entire record is available. Allen details. Okay, so the combination of rows and columns together we can call it as a table in any database, not only here. Okay, so this is already built database. When you install, after that you can create multiple tables also, not a problem. Okay, so we have three important tools, guys. One is SQL plus. Whatever I'm typing here, this is called SQL plus. Is only for practice tool. Okay, practice in command prompt. SQL developer tool is there. It's not the job profile. SQL developer tool is there. Toad is there. These two are MNC related tools. Whatever you working today, that is available, same tool available in the company. So we will install one of the tool for real-time experience. So you don't feel like any uncomfortable when you go to company. So after 15 to 20 days, when you're practicing, when you got basic commands and when you're strong enough, then I will be installing these two tools, same like a real-time experience. Okay. The first thing is that. One second. Okay. So here, now when you are starting today, practical sessions, you can install Notepad++, snipping tool, one of the tool. Directly you can type snipping tool, automatically it will download for taking the screenshot. And this is whatever I am typing, this is Notepad++. When you close system also, this data will store automatically. Okay, when you open again, it will be there. So only Notepad++ snipping tool. And those who want to become a like perfect software engineer, this is the technique that I have used from 7 years back. I have used this technique, and today I got successful, and I helped so many more than 10K students across USA, UK, Australia, India, in the name of like Python training and data science training, ETL trainings and all. So all successful. 85% of successful credit is depends on only one criteria, one plan, that is practicing your daily practicing in A4 sheets. You can buy one bundle, and that bundle daily you take 15 papers, practice it. That 15 papers throw in dustbin. Don't keep with you, or you can keep somewhere for practicing, not for writing the notebook. We will send you all the materials to your home through courier by today or tomorrow. We can start. So don't write the notebooks actually. So you can practice it 15 papers every day. Check the confidence after 15 days. How much confidence? Some people have one phobia, right? That I am not able to remember for a long time and all. So those people can use this technique. Even I am still today I'm learning artificial intelligence. Again I am doing this because nobody can help us. It's ourselves to get strong. Okay, to be strong, who will be support? Yourself only will be the supporter here, not for anyone. If you confident in communication, if you're confident in technology, and no one can beat you. Even if you feel that you are perfect in technology, when you go to interview, if they won't select, you can be happy. Even I went to 9 interviews. I was confident, like I'm answering the questions, but don't know what's parameter happened. They rejected. Then I feel more confident. Maybe that time when I get reply mail that you are not shortlisted, that time I felt very like sometime disappointment. But I am not getting continuous disappointed, right? Because I am perfect. I practice more, and after 9 to 10 interviews, then every interview was cleared. Okay, I have received almost 1.8 lakh also per month. And you understand, where I am from marketing background, I am from MBA graduate. So because why I'm using, sir, you have your continuous, you have skills and you have communication and all. No, who said that? And I was practicing every day, I'm training every day, I'm learning every day, I'm taking inputs from every day. I'm not feeling like I'm good enough. I am not well enough in the technologies. Still, I know 15 technologies, but I'm not well enough. Then one or two technology, if you know, how can you be successful in software? So only to enter into the software, use one technology to start the process. After that, they will teach you. You have to learn. So many things will happen. So only one thing. Today I am here because only one criteria, because I am from marketing background, I follow my sincere practice, and nobody helped me. If they might help, and I was in other routes actually, because of nobody help, and I took serious throughout my career, and I am planning. Today I started 3 4 companies also. 2 companies was failed and 2 companies are running. So it was, and I was an entrepreneur and also engineer. Okay, and I am a well motivator also right now. and I am helping person also for the people those who are really. I feel that you guys are really getting confusion about the career. I am the real motivator because it's a proven example. Last COVID we got 3,000 jobs only in ETL. You understand that. I'm not saying that today you will get 100 jobs and all. That corona we utilized, and the people, non-technical people utilized, and they got successful. Still they are running. They are getting non-technical people who got 1 lakh salary. It's not a simple thing. Maybe for other people it's a simple thing. For you and me, it's not a simple thing. Throughout entire efforts that we have given, okay. So this entire process is depends on only one thing, is your technical skills, your patient skills. That might be successful. Okay. So let's bring it to the first class today with the DDL commands. First 7 days will be very basic commands. Okay. Now you can ask 100 times. We will repeat and we will not close the batch. This is the 47th batch. Okay. And hopefully this will be going to great success because how other batches are getting. But your materials wise, interview questions wise, project wise, and practical sessions wise, mock test wise, online quiz, anything we can guide you. But if you are not practice, these all things will not be helpful for you. So I'll tell you one thing. Whenever I waited for 3.5 years to get a job. You understand that? Not only me, the people who are learning technologies around 2014 and 15, there is what? Satyam computer scam was there. Completely entire Indian software system is collapsed. There is no requirement. We waited for one call for 1 year. You understand the recession of those times. Okay, that we have given a strong stand to become a successful engineer. That was not our success. That was our parents' success to help 3 years, 3.5 years to send money to give boosting confidence. And at that time, no friends, because when you don't have job, when you don't have money, nobody will be there. Still, still it is happening. It will be happen for in the future also. That time, who will help? Our parents only help. Okay, no problem. Like this, you wait, no problem. You can go for interviews, try it, be cool. There are a lot of distractions. So it's not simple thing to become an engineer. But right now, people are getting jobs. Think only getting jobs, and after that, how many people are giving stand? After getting selected within 2 months, 90% of jobs are collapsed. They are terminating immediately because they are going into the industry with less subject, without subject. Now you take the subject and go. Nobody can touch. If they can touch, no problem. Tell that I am going out of the project and I will go and join other company. When you have subject, there are lakhs of opportunities will be there. This is the proven example, guys. I'm not giving you like a thunder stuff to motivate you to come to the training to pay the fee and all. That is your wish. I'm giving you as a marketing person. My group is marketing and HR. I worked as a HR in Mumbai and I was not satisfied and also not comfortable in Hindi. That's what I came from Mumbai to Hyderabad to learn the technology and all. And I waited 3.5 years to get a job. Not only me, my friends who are group still that who was there in PG for 5 to 6 members in a small room. Today they are getting, they have own flats, they have own cars. You know, we all people don't have communication. Seriously, we practice the technology. Nobody care about your communication. Now today I spoke 10 to 15 minutes. No, you can go and listen the same class. There are so many mistakes in my communication. I was feel bad, but I know that English I can't now. I can't bring it Shakespeare English and all, right. So whatever I am having, that I am going to give you. So here content delivery is very important. So today is very good day to start for your career. You need great patience. to get great success. That's it. Okay. So let's go ahead, create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. Let me create a table. Okay. So first you listen the class and then do the practice at your home. Okay. So now first, how many tables are there in our database? So select star, count of star from tab. So if you see, 174 tables will be there in our database. Now let me create one more table. Create table. Table name is batch 47. Now I am taking here serial number, that you can say number. Okay. Size you can take 3. Then name you can give characters varchar 2. Okay, and take 10 size, and then you can take rank. Okay, number, and then you can take. Okay, test table is created successfully. It is permanently created because DDL command will have auto commit option. We don't need to save it. It will save automatically. So go and see the, now see here 175 tables will be there. Now, sir, do we have data? No data, right? Only we created structure. Now, if you want to see the data, select star from batch 47. No row selected. Only table structure is created. No data available. So describe, then batch 47. You will have structure, serial number, name, rank. This is called structure creation, which you created. Data is not available because we are working with the DDL commands, not DML commands. Okay, so fine. Now you can create a number of tables, not a problem. Okay, now we have alter command is there. What is alter command? We will go with 4 activities with alter command. Be careful about it. This command is used for adding a column. So if you want to add one more extra column, modifying the size and data type. If you want to change the data type size and data type also, and you can dropping the column or removing the columns, also for renaming the column. So for adding a column, for modifying the column, or for removing the column, for renaming the column, and we are using alter command. So here alter with add, alter with modify, alter with drop, alter with rename. So alter add, alter table, table name, add. This is a syntax actually. You learn the syntax, but don't by heart it. Okay, keep your practicing more. So alter table, table name, add column 1, data type size. So what will happen, which table we created here? Batch 47, right? So now what will happen? The rank size is there, right? 3. Now this rank size, whatever we have, and I'm going to change 3 to 7 or 5. So let me clear the screen, and what you need to do, alter table. What is the table? Table name batch 47. Then I'm going to add first, add a new column, add, and I'm taking here location. New column is adding. It's a varchar 2, right? Varchar 2 size I'm giving you 10. Yes, table altered. Now go and describe it. Okay, go and describe batch 47. Now see here, location is added or not? Location is added successfully. Say adding a new column. But one more important thing, whenever you are adding a column, the table should be empty, should not be available any data. Then only structure modification is possible. When you have data, this not able to change any structure. When you have, whenever your house construction is over, then only you can start interior decoration. If house construction is not clear, you cannot do any interior decoration, it's waste. So same like that, once you have data, you cannot touch. Once you are done the interior decoration, you can't change the house structure. Similar. Okay. So now that is alter, adding a new column, and alter with the modifying. Modifying means now data type size, I'm from rank column, I'm changing from our salary, whatever the column, changing from 3 to 7. So what we are going to do here, same thing, alter table batch 47, modify, then column, which column we are going to modify, rank, then number, then size will be 7. Table altered, previously it was 3, now it is 7. Go and see the structure of the table also. You can see rank is changed from 3 to 7. Okay, let me change this rank number into, for understanding purpose, only for varchar to type data type changes. Yes, we can do similar to this. So alter, one second, alter table, table name is batch 47, modify, okay, and open bracket, and then which column, rank. Now which data type you want, varchar 2, varchar 2, and size is 7. If you want 8, you can add it 8 also. So one second, varchar spelling, okay, so like this. Now table altered successfully. So we changed to, one is size also we have done, and data type also we have done through alter command, that is DDL command. It's permanently changes. No, we are not going to save it. Automatically commit is there. Auto commit is there for DDL commands. Auto save automatically. We are not going to do any manual here for DDL. So you can see batch 47. Okay, that is location varchar to 10. Okay, so here, sorry, rank varchar to 8. So this is where you can say modifying the data type and size. Now I don't want this column, I don't want this rank column, I want to drop a column. So once you drop, you cannot get back. So this is very uh, clearly you can understand, once you drop a column, you cannot get back, but table you can get it. Okay, so let's go. Alter table name, drop a column name. If you want to do multiple columns also, alter table name, drop, you can give group of columns here. Both can be possible, you can do that later also. Okay, so what will happen, I'm going to take out this column rank. So now what will happen, so now alter table name batch 47, top column name is rank. Table altered and deleted permanently here. Now in this, there is no rank column here, only we have serial number, name, location. So that is the syntax and example. Alter table name, drop, you need to give a column keyword, which column you are going to give, that you are going to give it. So if you don't want, like if you want to do more columns, then you can give drop, open bracket, give column names, then execute it. So that is where you can say dropping a column. So we have done alter plus add, adding a column, alter plus modify, modifying the data type and size, and alter drop, dropping a column, and we have Once you drop the column, then you cannot get back the column again in the database anywhere. That should be very powerful. Okay. Alter rename. We can rename only one column at a time. You cannot rename multiple columns, only one column at a time. So syntax is alter table name, rename column, old column name to new column name, old column name to new column name. So what is the old column name here? For example, here LOC is there. Okay. Now we need to change it. Alter table name batch 47. Then rename. What is the old column name here? Location to new column name. What is the new column name? ADD address ADDR. So what we are missing here? Column keyword is missing. You got my point? That's why. If syntax is not, if you are getting this error, then you can go and see the syntax. Don't go directly to syntax and example. Then if your syntax is not clear, then go and see the syntax. So how we will get it? By hands on practice you will get it. Okay, I'm giving you very core fundamentals. You don't need to learn any other technologies, any components to become an engineer. I'm giving you from the beginning itself. Okay, so here, so now let's see. You can give rename, you can do column table alter. Now go and see describe, then batch 47. Got my point? Now instead of location, the column is changed to address. Got my point? This is how we are going to rename the column. Okay. So what activities we will do using alter command? That is the second command. Create and then alter. Alter with 4 operations. What are the 4 operations? Alter with add, alter with modify, alter with drop, alter with rename. Okay, that is modifying the column name and whatever that. Okay. Now separate drop command is also there. What is separate command drop? We can remove the structure and data both from the database. So it's not only structure and data, everything will be deleted. So for example, let me select star from batch 46. Guys, here batch 46, these are the data will be there. Now your manager told that you delete batch 47 table. You delete with batch 47 table. Now you are dropping the table. What is the command? Drop table name. That's it. Now what happened, see here. Your manager told that drop 47 table. Now drop table name batch 46. By mistakenly have done that. Now some employees are trying to get the data. Batch 46. So table or view does not exist. Now whatever you perform anything, it is going to store in the admin database. They are going to track who performed what time and what operation. Everything is going to track. The database is tracking in admin. So Arjun drop 46 table right now. They got alert message. Then immediately manager will call or will ping you. So that is the control system. So if you go without subject, you cannot be successful there. It's not like a comedy. It's not a puppet show. It's a life. It's a business, right? You are working with the business people. Something goes wrong, they will lose crores of money. So that's why companies are very strict and straightforward. They won't allow any, what you can say, the people who are talking software is easy and we can learn and we can manage. These are all bullshit. They can't manage. They can manage with the subject. That's all. Okay. So now what will happen? Sir, we done the mistake. Now if you don't have subject, you will cry. There you will suffer. So you will get tension now. But if you know the subject, just 1 second you are going to get it. So if you know the flashback query concept, flashback query, if you know, this query will help you to get the dropout tables from the recycle bin. So if you delete any image, it will go to recycle bin, right? Same thing, recycle bin concept is also there in the database, and it will bring from there when you perform flashback query. So flashback query, only one line query. Okay. So you can say flashback table name, which table you drop 46, to drop the 46 to before drop. If you execute this, now go and see select star from 46 batch 46 table. Now you will get structure and data again. So where there is a mistake, there is solution also. You should be careful when you don't be like fear about by seeing the mistakes. You can get confident then when mistake have a solution also. If you perform this operation with flashback query, then you are going to get the dropout tables which unexpectedly. Okay. So but then we'll see. Now we have truncate command is there. So truncate data will be removed permanently, but structure won't change. So if you want to remove the data permanently, then we are going to use truncate command. Truncate command is, let's see. Let me take one table. Create table. I will tell you backup table also. Create table batch 46 duplicate table as select star from batch 46. So I am creating one backup table or copy of the table. Select star from same like this table. Same like batch 46, I am creating with batch 46 duplicate table. Same data, same structure, everything will be there. So creating a backup table. Create table name as select star from. I will give you in the later also, don't worry. So now this table contains how many rows? 8 rows. Maybe if we have so many rows, then you can go select count of star from the backup table. Yes, 8 records will be there. Now you are going to truncate this table. The structure is also there. Describe batch 46. So we have data also there, structure also there. Okay. We have data also there, structure also there. Now I am truncating the table. Truncate table batch 46. Sorry, backup table, right? Okay. Table truncated. Select star from, you can see no row selected because truncate. Data will be deleted. Structure is there or not, you will see. Yes, structure is available here. Structure is available, only data will be removed permanently. You cannot get back the data when you do the truncate. That's why we have other command in DML. There is a delete command is there. So we always will do with the delete. No, we don't use much truncate command. Okay, that will be very panic here. That's why we won't use in the real time. So we'll use only delete command, which is next command delete. So we can able to get back the deleted data also. That is a possible. Okay. So rename is there. Rename means it's alter with rename is separate and rename is separate. Okay. So alter with rename is to change the column name. Only rename is to change the table name. Right. So here, which table is there here now? Now we have batch 47 table, right? So now we can say rename. What is the command? Rename batch 47 to new batch 47. Table is renamed, right? Now whenever you are taking select star from batch 47, it won't be available. So it's a permanently renamed batch 47 to new batch 47. So once you rename it successfully, old column name, old table names will not be available. It will be available as a rename call. So that is just for syntax is rename old table name to new table name. That's all, that syntax. Rename old table name to new table name. Clear? So these are the just DDL commands: create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename, which we have auto commit option, which we will save automatically. No need to any manual intervention to save these commands, these operations. So create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. You have to remember, and you have to do the more practice by hands on it. Then you will get much confident. Use A4 paper technique from today or tomorrow onwards. You will become a strongest engineer with perfect subject very soon. Maybe it will take 6 months or 1 year. You will be comfortable to handle it any type of tactics in the companies. Got my point? Clear everybody? Hope you are clear. So this is today is first day. So that's why I'll give you high level. So tomorrow I will go little slow, don't worry. Just for to close one concept today, I have given little faster, and you can listen this class again and then do the practice. Connect with HR to get help, whatever you want. Okay. So tomorrow we'll connect at the same time at 8 o'clock. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. Have a good day and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all. Good luck and wishing you all the very best for your career. Thank you, guys.